This is a rare find. These are 1940s Russian field pants. Take a look at this. I mean, this is amazing. This whole thing, look at those knee patches, the way that goes. All right, we've been doing a box opening of different samples that I pulled out when I went on a buying trip out on the West Coast. These are items that we are considering putting in Brents Warehouse. This piece is sort of an interesting throwback. I created the Gung Ho brand, and Gung Ho is now owned by Stan Ray in Crockett, Texas, but I originally started the Gung Ho brand back in 1978. So when I saw these pants down there, these are a pair of the Gung Ho pants from the late 70s or early 80s. I just had to have them. Alpha Industries, they kind of went fashion on us, but Alpha Industries was the original manufacturer for the MA1 flight jacket. As a matter of fact, Alpha still makes the MA1 flight jackets, the original MA1s. But this is some Alpha Industries old inventory. I say old inventory, it's from the late 90s, early 2000s. Wow. It's been overdyed, it looks to be. Love these. These are Dutch military cargo pants. These are very, very desirable. M65 fishtail parka liner. It's World War II era canvas bag. This is a perfect one, a liner that you can wear as an outer garment and not have to put it in the jacket. You can tell this is made old school. You know, it's got the felled seams and it's got the gusset in the side seam, bar tacked here. It's dated 1953. This is an older jacket, but when you look at the woodland camo that the U.S. military developed, you can tell that they drew from the influences of a lot of the European camo patterns, like the French woodland camo pattern. This is a Belgian camo pattern. This is really cool. It's a medical gown, but it's Pinwell corduroy. It's 100% cotton corduroy. German fleece jacket. It's got really cool detail in it. It's from the 90s, 1993, but not, you know, really old, but it's a really cool piece. It's, you know, German, well made, like they do, you know. Oh, I love these when I came across them. They're work aprons. What I really liked about these, a couple of things, is they're Czechoslovakian, and it's made out of herringbone fabric. Wow. These have everything. They've got suspenders, they've got leg ties, something for the briars. Well, I haven't pulled out much USA stuff yet, but this is an American military tanker jacket. These were manufactured in the 80s. This one's date stamped 1986. I call it a swing pocket fatigue pant because when I say swing, you can put your pockets in and kind of swing them. And then the other fatigue pant is a patch pocket fatigue pant where you have the, you know, the flat pockets on the top and everything. You remember a few weeks ago, we dropped all the digital. I didn't really like the way the colors were in that anyway, but if you take that digital and overdye it, this is what you come out with, which makes it a little bit more exciting and interesting. You know, I have a soft spot for quilted vest. So yeah, so you're gonna see quite a few quilted items. Just quilted vests, quilted pants, I mean, I love them. Cute. Oh yeah. Beautiful shop coat. It's going to come like in 4 colors. I can't remember all the 4 colors that it is, but it's kind of an interesting. It's a women's shooter's vest. This is a liner. It's a quilted liner. I just love this thing. It's a really nice, interesting piece. Oh gosh. This bell staff, if you look at this bell staff up and look it up, you're just going to get blown away. This stuff is so cool.